Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will demonstrate how to resolve the Windows level update error like updating KB5121767 not installing on Windows level. And if you experience these issues, I give some steps one by one follow to this problem should be solved. And don't skip this video. Let's go for the solution. Then solution 1, corrupted files delete in file X folder. So we can go to click on the file X folder and open. Then you can go to click on the local disk C. Here you can go to click on the Windows folder, double tap to open. Then locate the software distribution folder in Windows. So double tap to open. Here selected all these all particular folders. Then right click and select the delete the all folder. If you did, then you away from the software distribution folder. Then we can go to throw the next solution. The next solution talk about troubleshoot Windows update. So we need settings. So you can go to search Windows update by using the search bar in settings. We can click to open the find and fixing problem with Windows update. Here you can see troubleshooting help to prevent the computer problems tool. This is the one of the tool. Just click on the next. It is detecting the problems, so wait to you will get what what did you find the problems. It is found to so it is take few minutes. It will take or few minutes or so. Okay, here also of it. So here you can see check Windows update issues and service registration is missing or corrupted. So just you hit the close to away from the troubleshoot Windows update. Then we can go to throw the next solution. Proceed the next solution command prompt. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type that cmd. Then right click on the command prompt and click on the run as administrator. Here inside command prompt and type command. This command provided in this video description, or you will go to visit our official website MR.LEARNING way. Search. Then if you have get MR.LEARNING way website, just click to visit. Here you can go to search Microsoft Visual C++. Sorry, here run Windows level update by using the search bar. Here you can go to click on the first blog post, click to open, then scroll down. Here you can go to click on the show more option and scroll down. Here you can go to get these comments. These comments one by one used to this problem will be solved. So you can go to take up the net stop this command, copy to put in command prompt. Again go to copy to pick and here put in. So again one by one copy to put in the command prompt. If you have all done, then you can go to try started steps. So you can go to copy one by one. Then exit, then away from the Mr. Learning Way or official website, then you can go to Pro the next solution. Then next solution, delete temporary files in Windows level. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type the delete temporary files tool. Just click to open. Here you can get the storage option. Then here you can go to click on the temporary files section. Just click here. Then scroll down. You can select temporary files and thumbnails, temporary internet files, and delivery optimization file. This is all caused. This is caused by the Windows level update error using usually caused by direct starter cache or sometimes delivery optimization file corrupted some whatever. However, if you corrupted or mistaken, this all files you have it. If you get this error, so first you can go to select all. After that, you can go to remove these files. If you did, then you away from the settings. Then you can go to pro the next solution. The next solution services you can check if whether it is delete or not or enable or not. So I go to cleanly explain. So you can go to the Windows search bar and type that services. We can click to open. Here you can go to find Windows update services. Just select and right click. You can go to click on the properties. Here you can go to see startup type if it is selected automatic or not. If it is not, just you can go to select automatic. If you did, then you can go to check again service status is stopped or not, running or not. If the service status is stopped, just start to change. Here already running, just you will go to check. Here stop, just you click to start to change it. Then hit the apply and OK to save that settings. Then you away from these properties. Then again come to back from services. Then you can go to throw the next solution. The next solution, Windows file scanner. So this is one of the tool the Windows level solve. So you can go to that file exporter. Here you can go to the local disk C driver, then right click on the local disk C, and you can go to select the properties and click on the tools, and here you can get the error checking tool. Just to click on the check to if you get scan drive, you can get scan drive. Just to click on it to wait. It is the scanning, so wait 50 seconds. That's all. After that you will get result. Here you can get driver successfully scanned. Just here no errors found. Just click the close button to away from the that properties. After that, just you can go to the restart. After that your problem should be fixed. And if you have any doubt, let me know. I will help you. Definitely I will help you. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel.